everyone, my name is Abhishek Kenneth. Today I am going to talk about a very good information which has happened during last week, guys. So today I am going to share about important information which is nothing about coronavirus but a very good and positive news which has happened last week, guys. And it's also about the Olympics game also, guys. Yes, you might have guessed me right. So in today's video I'm going to talk about an Indian hockey team, guys, who won the bronze medal during last week, guys. So today I'm going to talk about the Olympics game, that too particularly in about Indian hockey team. So as last week's game, there was a clash between India and Germany in the hockey game, guys, among which India scored 5 and Germany scored 4, and we had won the hockey. We have won the bronze medal, guys. You may ask, what is the big deal, Abhishek? It's after just a bronze medal only, na? No, guys, it's not easy. So this victory has shown that after 41 years, they had come back and slapped down our faces and said that we are back on track. So this is the indirect message which has been given by the Indian hockey team. So to come to this level, they have to face many hardships, guys. So I am going to tell you what are the hardships they went through, and not only that, to represent a particular country, we need to sponsor. We need to make a sponsorship for that particular team, guys. And can you believe that a particular state has sponsored the Indian hockey team to play in Olympics? Yes, guys, a state has sponsored a particular this hockey team into the Olympics. I will tell you what had happened, guys. So as I mentioned earlier, the India has won against Germany and they have won the bronze medal. But to get to this level, we have to see during the year from the year 1928. Why? Because they were the king at that time in terms of hockey, guys. So when this hockey team was formed in the year 1928 by British, what happened was they first represented our nation. And what happened is the people saw India a bit differently during the first game. So in the first game, what happened was India and Belgium had played a game in the Olympics and India scored 9-0, guys, and India won the match. And they again played with Switzerland, 5-0 win. Next, Austria, 6-0 win. Finally, Netherlands, 3-0 win, and they took the gold medal, guys. So this was the first gold medal which India had taken to our home country. And in the consecutive games, Olympic games, India had taken more gold medals, guys. And one small tidbit, guys, how much do you think that India would have put the goal in this particular all the matches during the year 1928 to 1980? How much do you think? They have taken almost 178 goals, guys, which is a crazy number. And the opponent team who faced India during this period had taken only just 7 goals, guys. So as I can say, India were dominant during that time. And after that, say after independence in 1947, the India and Pakistan have separated, as you all know, guys. So what happened is, here the main key players for India had moved on to Pakistan, and there was no players at all for India. Then somehow or the other, India formed the hockey team, and at 1948 they represented the Olympics for India, and that time also they have taken the gold medal, guys. So everything was going on smoothly till 1980. Then after on, the Cricket World Cup. There, as you all know, famous player Kapil Dev had won the match, and obviously India had won the first World Cup in 1981. Then as the days passes by, we all have forgotten the hockey team and started supporting for the cricket game, guys. Which was a pretty sad thing for us. Why? Because this was also one of the cause for the failure of hockey team also, guys. So here what happened is, the hockey team was so out of form in such a way that during the Beijing Olympics, they even didn't qualify for the Olympics game, guys. They were so worst after 1980, guys. Then what happened is, I told you now, the state which had sponsored the hockey team for this time, it is none other than the Odisha, guys. So Odisha government one day decided is that we should have faith in these players and we need to sponsor them, guys. So as a result, we have even sponsored the team and they have won the match, guys, which is pretty crazy for us, guys. So nothing is impossible, guys. So this was the greatest comeback for them, guys. And taking the other games, for example, badminton, PV Sindhu was also won the bronze medal, guys. And many other key players has also won the bronze medal, guys. For them, I am very much happy. Why? Because they have contributed much to our country, guys. And one more thing, guys, I have also heard about Tamil Nadu lockdown, which has taken place doing, which is, what I'm trying to say is, the Tamil Nadu has also extended their lockdown for the next 2 weeks, guys. So again, they are starting to restrict many places due to the rise in the coronavirus cases, guys. Among which the worst places must be closed again to to avoid the spread of COVID cases, guys. See, this is now effective from this coming week onwards, guys. It will go on till August 23rd, guys. And not only that, the government has also instructed that no public gathering places or no crowds should be also allowed in many places, guys. Why? Because it has a greater impact on this coronavirus cases, guys. And not only that, as for schools and colleges, Tamil Nadu government has said that for from 9th to 12th standard, the schools should be opened at a 50% capacity from September 1st onwards, guys. For school students, your entertainment part is over, guys. Now you are to compulsory go to school from September 1st onwards, guys. This is mainly because that many of the students are facing the difficulty to attend the classes due to the internet connection, guys. For some people who are having the Wi-Fi, it's okay, but for the other people, it's pretty difficult, guys. So I hope this would solve their problem and it could ease them, guys. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and tell me on what video I should make next. Thank you.